Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be solving LeetCode 58, length of last word. So this is marked as a LeetCode easy, but if you're not familiar with built-in string functions, this will be a little bit more difficult, and that's why I'm here to teach you. So given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So in this example here, very straightforward. The last word is world and the length is 5, right? Okay. And then over here, the last word is moon, but notice how we have this these spaces here, right? So we need to get rid of those spaces and I'll show you how, and very straightforward. We'll be using strip for that. Okay. And for the next example, we have Joy Boy, and we'll just be returning this length here, which is 6. So here are the constraints. We don't see any crazy edge cases. So S will be a valid input, and S consists of only English letters and spaces. So that is where we're going to use our strips at. And there will be at least one word. Okay, so let's navigate to the drawing here. So as I mentioned before, length 5, okay? Length 4, and I believe in the example they had more spaces. So these are spaces here, and I'll do something like this to denote the spaces, the extra spaces. Okay, great. Okay, so this is very straightforward, right? So with strings in Python, the first thing you want to do with this given input is you want to get rid of all of these extra spaces, right? So in order to do that, we have to strip, right? So if let's use this example here. All right. So if we were to say S is equal to S dot strip, then we would be effectively removing these guys here. So now, oh, also, I believe that there's another few spaces here as well. Okay. So we're going to remove these as well. Okay, good. So now we just have a normal string with the expected delimiters, which is the given spaces, like no extra spaces, right? Just like we have the given space here. Okay. So we strip to get rid of all the extra spaces. And then if we want to visualize this as an array so we can get that length of the last element, all we have to do is say now S is equal to S dot split, okay? And we have to pass in a delimiter, okay? So what are we gonna split by? What's gonna be the metric of separation, okay? And it's gonna be empty space, right? Okay, great. So now what it's gonna look like is an array, right? We'll have fly in there. We'll have me in there. We'll have to in there. We'll have the, and then last but not least, we will have a moon in there, right? And like I mentioned, we use the delimiter space. So everything will be separated just like that. And look what we have here, right? We can just quickly return the length of the last index in the array. All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and navigate to LeetCode, and we will quickly write a solution for this. Okay, so we can one line this, right? So we're going to return the length of stripping the string, right? We strip it, and we use method chaining here, right? Split, empty space, delimiter, and then last but not least, we want to return the length of that last index, right? So if we run this, passes here, okay, submit this, and the time and the space complexity for this here. So I'll navigate back to my drawing here. Okay. So just because we only wrote one line of code doesn't mean that there wasn't any time or space being processed, right? So the time is big O of n, and we can easily see that when we split, okay? And then the space is also big O of n because of that split as well. Thank you for watching. Whatever platform you're on, please like, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you and the next one.